Hello, algebra. I told you I would give you the answers. So here they are. I did have one error on the initial video, so we will check that out when I get there. So number 2 would be 4 times the square root of 2. So if I'm going to decide if I'm going to be able to subtract the square root of 80 minus the square root of 32, I need to take those two answers that I just got on number 1 and 2, and since they don't have the same square root symbol or radical, I cannot subtract them, nor can I add them. This would have to be a square root of 2 for me to be able to subtract them with this, and this would have to be a square root of 5 for me to be able to subtract it from the first term. Same thing with adding. Okay, so let's talk about our next example. We did both of these. All right, so if I did this problem, I should have put those together, divided, got 12, and then taken the square root to get 2 times the square root of 3, using my rule that I can rewrite my radicals like we talked about. Number 9 is no solution. Number 10, I believe we did. The rest of your midpoints and distances should be this. Approximately 7.1 for that first one, which we did. For number 2, you should get approximately 4.5. You should have had the square root of 20 underneath. -3 and 1 for your midpoint. 9.6 for your distance for number 3, and 1.4 and 2 would be your midpoint. Here's where I had my error. I missed a 1 when I added that together, and I had 1.67. But those numbers indeedly add to 20, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So if you could fix that, that would be great. Again, I'm going to add my 1 and my 3 together to get 4. Divide that by 2, which is 2. And that, my friends, is the rest of the story. God bless.